Another day, another problem. So today I wake up to a notification at 3 o'clock in the morning that my savings account is closed. It was just randomly shut down. So I woke up and I called my bank and I said, why was my savings account closed that I've had for 10 years? And after a long ass hold, the lady was like, well, ma'am, your savings account was closed because you haven't had a transaction in 60 days. And I'm like, okay, well, how do we get this reopened? Because I've had this for 10 years and you guys didn't communicate that it was about to be shut down. She said it was in the terms of service, which, like, okay, even if I'm supposed to know what the terms of service are, you should still, as a business, be communicating everything to me, the customer. You can communicate when my bank account is in the negatives. You can communicate when I've transferred money. You can communicate when I've made any sort of transaction. You can't communicate when you're about to shut down my account. Say, hey, you haven't made a transaction in 50 days, 59 days. We're about to close your account permanently. And there's nothing we can do to reopen it. She said the only thing I can do is open up a new savings account. And I was like, what information do I need to open a savings account? And she said, we can go onto the website or make an account from there. And I was like, no, you can tell me what information that I need. She gave me a second and she was like, you're going to need to be over 18. You're going to need this, that, and a residential address. And I was like, well, I don't have a residential address. So what am I supposed to do? There was nothing that she could do to help me. And she kept asking me how I want to proceed with the call. And if there is anything else she can help me with, bitch, you didn't help me. And there's nothing that you can help me with. You just fucked over my banking without communicating about it, without warning me. And now, like, what am I supposed to do? This is just a bit of a rant for businesses in general that don't seem to know that, like, communicating something like that is something that you should do. It's your responsibility to do it. Yes, it's my responsibility to know, but it's still your responsibility to communicate it again. And the second thing is just how crazy the system works against homeless individuals. I'm not able to open up a new account because I don't have a residence. It's pretty pathetic.